Hi buddies, let's see how to append the data in the binary file. Come, let's switch over to the video. Thank you.
Let's see how to append the data in your binary file. So some of the steps to be followed. So first step, so the steps which we have to work to append the data. Step 1, we have to import the pickle. That is the name of the module which we should use in our first line of a program. Second line, we have to open the file in an append bound. Only then the data can be added at the end of the file. Example, there is a file f is equal to open books.dat and I have just mentioned as AB. AB specifies it is an append mode. If I specify only AB, it means that the data can be added at the end of the file. If the file is already present, the new data will be added at the end of the file. If the file does not exist, it will create a new one and adds the data. So simultaneously it works on both also. And once you did all those things, we have to use the syntax pickle.dump list comma file handle. Now step 4 is to stop the programs once you complete all these steps. So let's see how to work in a binary file by giving all those steps. Open your Python interactive mode and go to file and open a new file. So I just open a new file. So you can also open a new file and I'll just show you the program which already have worked. So appending data into a binary file. So step 1. So in step 1 what we have to do? So we have to import a pickle. So let me show the screen on both sides and let's follow the steps. The first step, we have to import a pickle. So the first line has to be added in a program. So we have imported a pickle. Second, the file should be opened in .dat. So I just gave the file as node.dat and the mode is AB and I just give the input for my data. So I just give once again I just create like a file name as note1 and I just get a what is the note ID and what is the name of the book. So and I just add the variables inside a list. L is equal to I gave inside a square bracket. So step 3, we have a syntax. So according to the syntax, pickle.dump L comma F. So L is a list, F is a file handle. Finally step 4, we just close the program. So we just give save as, give a file name to your file and we have to give an extension .py. I just give it as EE and just I save my program. I just go to run and I just work my program. So enter a note ID. I just give a ID called 15. I just enter the E name. I just give it as computer. So this is computer science. So this is a data which I have given. So now this data is being written on the file called note1.dat. Now to check whether the data is being written on the file, we have to read a file. So let me work a program for reading the data in a file. To read the data from a binary file, the following program is being used. So you can see here, so I just make appending data into a binary file. I just make it as a command line. So let me open whether my data is present in my binary file or not. So I just remove my comment lines for reading a program and you can see same import pickle and I have used it and I'm just working on it and you can find there is a program execution will takes place when I open a note1.dat and RB. So we have used a syntax like try, while, true and I've used a syntax like pickle.load and you can see there is an output like 15 comma computer 16 what input which I have given. And this is how you have to work in a binary file to append the data. Thank you.